How to change the back wheel. First, we use this wrench to take off the screws on both sides. Take the screw out slowly and put it aside. And we take the gasket off the bike. There are two more gaskets on the inside. Take them off as well. On the other side, there is a plug that needs to take off. Still, use the wrench to take screw off. And we take the gasket off the bike. We pull back the chain, let the wheel out. For installation, you need to put the wheel through the chain. Put it in. Let the wheel match the chain. Then pull the chain backward to push the wheel back in. Let the screw fill in the notch. The other side as well. Connect the plug. At last, put everything back, the gasket, the screw on both sides. The process is complete.